Number 1. 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442, $2,442, Briargate, Colorado. This 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 is a rare budget entry into the muscle car scene. Powered by a V8 with an automatic transmission, the car ran a few years ago, but now suffers from a leaky carburetor. Structurally, it has solid floors, frame, and trunk with rust, mainly limited to the quarters and doors. Missing air conditioning components, and showing 158,000 miles rolled over. This coupe features period-correct swivel bucket seats, and even includes an extra set of 15-inch rally wheels. A promising project for a 1970s enthusiast. (1977) Chrysler New Yorker, 3500 Red Oak, Texas. This full-size luxury sedan from 1977 offers quintessential American comfort and power. With an odometer showing 100,000 miles, this Chrysler New Yorker runs and drives well. It presents an opportunity to own a true land yacht with classic styling, a plush ride, and strong V8 performance. A clean title makes this a great candidate for cruising or restoration. Number 3. 1986 Pontiac FO V6, $2,300, Meridian, Idaho. Equipped with a V6 engine and manual transmission, this 1986 Pontiac FO blends mid-engine design with sporty dynamics. It runs and drives, though it has been sitting for over a year and needs basic maintenance. The clutch engages firmly, though the master cylinder may need attention. With power windows and aftermarket electric seats, this is a mechanically sound project car for fans of 1980s innovations. Number 4. 1988 Chevrolet Corvette 5.7 liters T-Top, $3,500, Wenatchee, Washington. This 1988 Corvette features a 5.7-liter V8 paired with an automatic transmission and functioning T-Top. Recent updates include spark plugs, oil service, air conditioning work, and a new master cylinder. The instrument panel is non-functional, making it a project car ideal for a mechanically inclined buyer. With 136,760 miles and clean cosmetics, it is a great base for a budget Corvette build. Number 5. 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $7,200, Auburn, Washington. This Cutlass Supreme presents as a well-kept survivor. With only 15,000 miles on the odometer, uncertain if rolled over, it benefits from new brakes, tires, radiator, battery, and tune-up components. It features a clean white finish, AM radio, 2 sets of keys, and both hubcap sets. It drives flawlessly, making this one of the best-preserved late 1970s personal coupes available at this price point. Number 6. 1971 Ford LTD Hardtop, $7,500, Evergreen, Montana. Sporting a 400 cubic inch V8, this Ford LTD is an honest driver with 38,411 miles showing, rolled over. Mechanically refreshed with a new carburetor, gas tank, fuel lines and belts, the car is wrapped in metallic black vinyl over its original faded pink paint. Minor dents and scrapes are visible, but overall condition is solid. A classic full-size hardtop with a cool sleeper vibe. Number 7. 1976 Mercury Marquis Brewer, Named 800, a true 1970s luxury icon, this Mercury Marquis Brewer comes with a 460 cubic inch V8 and only 50,250 original miles. The two-owner car is equipped with working air conditioning, new tires, and a remarkably preserved interior. This full-size coupe runs and drives perfectly and is ideal for anyone seeking classic comfort and style without compromise. Number 8. 1970 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser Wagon, $8,500, Iron River, Michigan. With only 67,000 miles, this rare 1970 Vista Cruiser is mostly original and partially restored. It features a 350 cubic inch V8 and rust-free frame and floor pans. The interior is in very good condition with many new parts. It needs bodywork and an oil pan replacement, but offers great potential as a classic family cruiser or nostalgic surf wagon. Number 9. 1978 Plymouth Fury Sport, $8,000. Benson, Arizona. This 1978 Fury Sport is a survivor in solid condition. It has a straight body, no body filler, and recent maintenance including shocks, a tune-up, and fluid service. While not perfect, it comes with a clean Arizona title and 2-year registration. Needs include a door handle, A-pillar trim, headliner, and a new windshield. A reliable driver with potential for show-quality restoration. Number 10. 1979 Pontiac Bonneville Brewer, $9,500. Nottingham, New Hampshire. This Bonneville Brewer shows 59,786 original miles and is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and turbo 350 automatic transmission. Features include power seats, windows, tilt wheel, new tires, stereo with amplifier, and recently replaced belts and hoses. With a recent alignment and fluid change, it is a turnkey classic with true comfort and reliability. Number 11. 1977 Cadillac Coupe Deville, $7,500, Pembroke, Massachusetts. With 93,000 original miles and the powerful 25 cubic inch engine, this Cadillac Coupe Deville is a rolling symbol of late 1970s opulence. Recently serviced with new radiator, brakes, and a transmission service, it also features updated audio while retaining its original CB radio. A true head-turner, this Cadillac delivers luxury and road presence with classic American charm. Number 12. 1955 Mercury Station Wagon, $11,000. Apache Junction, Arizona. This vintage 1955 Mercury wagon is a rare find with only 51,000 original miles. It features a 292 cubic inch V8, 3-speed manual transmission, and 3-row seating. The body is solid and the interior is in good condition. This family-owned car is ideal for someone looking to restore a mid-century wagon or enjoy it as a nostalgic daily driver. Number 13. 1969 Oldsmobile Toronado, $12,500, Manford, Oklahoma. An original family-owned classic, this front-wheel drive 1969 Toronado packs a powerful 455 cubic inch V8 and comes with all paperwork. With 74,500 miles, it has had extensive mechanical work done and includes features such as tilt telescoping wheel and power options. It runs excellently, but will need the air conditioning converted to modern refrigerant. A true personal luxury coupe with historical provenance. Number 14. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $14,500, North Olmsted, Ohio. This two-door 1967 Cutlass Supreme is a well-preserved example with 65,000 original miles. Equipped with a 330 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, it retains its factory charm and strong performance. Great for collectors looking for an authentic, unmolested midsize from the golden era of General Motors. Number 15. 1964 Dodge Polaro, $13,000, New Lenox, Illinois. This California-born 1964 Dodge Polaro is 99% rust-free and features a numbers-matching 318 cubic inch engine. With just 49,855 miles, it has a new exhaust, carpet, and headliner. The paint is fading and the front bumper needs re-chroming, but the car is otherwise in excellent structural condition. A perfect platform for preservation or customization.